Hi everyone. I just want to introduce the team a little bit so you know us. We've got Jill, Nikki, Tracy and Stephen and myself, and we're a broad mix, and we've all got experience of the rehabilitation process. Tracy and Stephen and myself, we've had strokes, so we've had the experience of rehabilitation as a long haul patient. Jill's had experience in various ways as a patient, but also her background, her work experience. She's interacted in rehabilitation from both sides of the field. And Nikki also, she's a researcher and she's got broad experience in rehab as well.
So if you come and work with us, what will happen is that we'll have a Zoom meeting where there'll be a couple of members of the research team and then other people with you who have had rehabilitation in hospital or at home, or have cobbled together a team of, say, a physio and someone else to work with them on improving after an illness or after an injury. And we're going to ask you about how you found the information about what your choices were. So could you choose to see this person or that person, or choose to go to a rehab facility or have home rehab with telehealth? And then what factors made it difficult or made it really easy for you to get linked in with what it was that you needed?